How's it going, everybody? It's CHRISTIANL here with Eat Like an Apex. We are in Fremont, California. Chef Ron had invited us to come out here to capture just what he does on a weekend basis as far as his pop-up. Chef Ron specializes in, I believe, Indian barbecue, Indian cuisine, Mediterranean. We're gonna check everything out here. We're gonna showcase just a few of the food, the atmosphere, the community here in Fremont, California. With that said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. And I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now.
But I think she was taking it easy on me.
What up? Hey, Seth. We finally made it here to Chef Ron's spot here in Fremont, California. California craft beer spot.
Yes, we do pop-ups here at California Craft. We're a partnership with Craft.
Okay.
My company's Wajiva. We do a lot of kebabs, fresh kebabs on site. We cook it on a charcoal grill, pure wood charcoal, old school ways. Cook it right in front of you. Cook to order.
Yeah.
And
I'll
let you be the judge.
Yeah, I think it, man. So excited to try the food here. Indian barbecue.
Absolutely.
With a little bit of Mediterranean twist.
Absolutely.
Let's do this. Let's get to the cooking, and we're gonna get some grub later on. Cheers.
That's my good sign right here.
Okay.
Glad you're here when I'm here today.
Well, real quick, how do you like his food?
I want to play. His food is bomb.
What's your favorite?
The lamb's pretty good. The kebabs are always good.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Everything's really good.
All right, I'm excited to try it.
You can just do a bomb and it's gotta be evened out so it cooks evenly. Just evening it out. That's all you're doing. This is the best kebab you're gonna try. I guarantee it. I'm used to it.
Good to know.
I got the shuttle.
This is definitely Indian street food for sure. And it's smoked, and then I remarinate and I grill it again.
Indian cottage cheese. And can you put it over yourself?
Wajiva.
Boom. Chef Waji just grabbed one straight off the grill right there, right on that skewer. There it is. And it's the lamb, right?
The lamb.
Oh, it smells good. Look at it just steaming and just juicy, full of flavor and some herbs inside of there too. I haven't tried it yet. I just know it's gonna be a hit. Oh. Oh.
I do what I do.
Smacking. That's like herbaceous off the grill. Nice and hot. That juicy flavors of that meat, that lamb. Bomb.
Only eats lamb with me.
Yeah?
That's good flavor.
Yeah?
Thank you.
It's the same ground meat.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's amazing. Wow. How is it? Good?
Good.
Chef is just feeding us right now. Somebody got the mushroom. I just finished that lamb. Okay, mushroom. There we go. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's like a natural off the grill, nice and hot, and I love that natural mushroom flavor. But he just keeps going. This
cheese.
is rip it. Oh, just hold it. Okay. This is the cheese. I never had this. This is the paneer that they serve here. Let's go. Oh man, that's almost like tofu with that cheesy flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, that texture is like soft, delicate. They're smacking. Mmm.
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Hey, what's up? Another regular here at Chef Wajiwa's spot here.
My name's Nikhil. You can call me Nicky Beats.
What's up, man? So what you like about his food here?
Oh man, I love everything. The taste, just the fact that it's like homegrown. You know what I mean? You get that stuff. You get that stuff handmade, you know?
Exactly.
It's a lot of love in it, and that's important when it comes down.
Oh man, cool.
Alicia, Why is Kiddo there?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right. Here it is, Chef YG special right here.
This is a big boy platter. It comes with 10 skewers of your choice. Try some other things that I forgot that I haven't put on the platter for you guys today. But start with this. We got some fish coming.
Right on.
Maybe one more item.
Okay.
All right.
Big boy platter coming up. So we are here in Fremont, California. Got to check out just a little bit of the, or a lot of it of the cooking process as he grilled that food, got it nice and ready, and just a pleasure to be here, included in this night's event of Indian barbecue. So what you have here, as Chef Ron has stated, the big boy platter. See some of the bread here. You have the cheese we tried. You have the mushrooms, the lamb. I believe the lamb's right there in the bottom there. Lamb chops, and these were the lamb kebabs. What more can I say, man? This is just a platter of like goodness right here. I think first thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna have, just as it is I had it earlier, or I haven't had it yet. This is those lamb chops. The lamb chops that they were grilling, still piping hot. I might chase that with the bread, but let me just give that a bite first. Let's do this. That is extremely juicy, man. I'm talking about flavors. It's peppery, it's juicy, I believe that's like a medium rare-ish. I got like a fatty gelatinous piece too. That was just straight up just flavor. You taste those spices, you taste that, oh man, that lamb flavor is something to love. I love it. Taking a bite here, chase it with some of that bread. Oh, that piece right there was good. But here's that bread. I'll rip that real quick. Oh. Oh yeah. It's good by itself, but adding that bread complements each other perfectly. Wow. Okay. Got the sauce here. Let me move this to the side. Green chutney with the might be pickled purple onions. I want to try that cheese again. Actually, I haven't tried that chicken yet. So, like just chunky pieces of chicken, you can see that. Oh man, you know that's gonna be just full of flavor as well. Here you go. Cheers. Wow. Wow, that is tender. Get some of that bread. Oh yeah. Let me dip this in that sauce actually. Mint chutney, I believe. Oh yeah. That sauce right there, man. Oh look.
That's the
Chef is just, is it the fish?
Yeah, that's the fish. Yeah.
Oh man. What kind of fish is it?
That's the mahi-mahi.
Mahi-mahi. Alright, so Chef Ron just plated some mahi-mahis on here. But real quick, that mint chutney, man, that is some awesome sauce right there. Let me chase that with some onions. Oh yeah. Big fan. Big fan of the onions. Alright, moving along here. Let me go for that cheese. Like I had this cheese pure earlier, and this was just like amazing. It's like a tofu piece, but it's cheese. And I put a pickled onion on top of there too. Just like that. There we go, cheers. That was completely epic. Oh yeah, the cheese, man. It's crumbly. It's still pretty dense and firm, but you have that cheese as it crumbles when you bite into it. Like cottage cheesy. I love that outer shell where it's crispified. Oh yeah. This is a favorite right here. This is definitely a crowd favorite. I believe it. Moving on. The mushrooms you had. Get some more of that chutney. Okay. About that. Oh. Big fan of the mushrooms. Yeah, I could have mushrooms all day. I'll probably chase that mushroom with the piece by the cheese as well. No. Everything goes together perfectly. Definitely a well-balanced meal right here. Alright, as we proceed, directing our way through the traffic of this big boy platter, the next thing I want to go and try is that lamb kebab, okay? So let me break into that. Last time it was piping hot, it was really hard to hold, but this time it's still hot, but I can hold it better now and just rip that. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, I had it pure last time. This time I'm gonna try it with that chutney. Okay. Okay, and I'll chase it with the naan. Okay, here we go. Cheers. Yeah, same idea. Juicy, very tender. You can taste that minced lamb with those minced herbs. Perfect lamb kebab. Get a piece of onion. Yeah. Piece of bread. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, you could probably have that with some bread and some chutney and call it a day as well. Very impressive. Wow. I'm gonna try next. Chef Ron just brought these out. These are the beef kebabs. One thing he mentioned, Warren G. The Warren G trying his food out, his beef kebabs out, and just loving it. I'm gonna go try Chef Ron's beef kebabs. I can see why Warren G OMG'd it. Now this is definitely an OMG factor. That is hot, herbaceous. Oh yeah, perfectly cooked. I love the char on the outside, similar to the lamb kebabs, but this is the beef. And man, wow, that's smacking too. If you want to have kebabs, this certainly is a spot to go to. All right, lastly, he prepared the mahi, and check that out. You can see here that nice char, very delicate. I'm just gonna rip that. Okay. Oh, look at that white meat. Oh, that just glistens. Very chunky, very meaty. Mahi. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome too. Wow. I'm gonna put some of that chutney sauce on this one here. Chase that with a piece of, you can call it naan or just the bread that goes with it. Oh yeah. Taste that now.
That's Afghani name.
Afghani naan?
Afghani naan. It's made here locally in Fremont at a bakery.
That's what's up. Man.
Really good bakery. So
Okay.
check those guys out.
There you go, man. Killer. That's a killer right here, man.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. All right.
Cheers, bro.
Chef Ron, man.
Appreciate you.
Oh. Yeah. Bomb.
It's all up.
All right. So he just busted that bread out off the grill, off that heat right there. This thing is like just crispy and hot and just, yeah. You can have this by itself. It's so good. Wow.
Listen.
Yeah.
You hear that crunch?
Wow. Guys, we just unfinished this night here as far as this big boy platter, this feast of Indian barbecue here with Chef Wajiwa, Chef Ron here, the team. They're in Fremont, California every Friday night.
Every Friday.
Every Friday. Unless they get a catering event, then they won't be here. But every
We post on our Instagram.
We post on Instagram.
Yeah, if we're gonna be outside. So.
At Wajiwa, check them out, man. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. They got some glorious food here.
Don't believe this guy. Come try it.
Yeah, come try it. Come try it for yourself, man. But my boy right here doing his thing.
Man, for sure.
So peep him out. Say hi to him for me. All right.
I just tried his beef score. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is off the chain. Bite mother dude.
Thank you, Warren.
Flavor.